Hello dear students. In today's class we are going to solve the question related to the maximum height, time of flight and horizontal range. Okay. What is the formula used to find the maximum height? That is h is equal to u square into sin square theta by 2g. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2g. So here the maximum height attained by the projectile that depends on velocity of projection and angle of projection, and g is a constant value. Okay, that is about 9.8 meter per second square. Otherwise you can take 10. Okay, for simplicity you can take 10. Then next, time of flight formula. So what is the time of flight here? 2u sin theta divided by g. And time of flight also depends on the velocity of projection and angle of projection. Okay, and last one, the range or horizontal range. So that is u square into sin 2 theta by g. So these are the formula used to find maximum height, time of flight and horizontal range. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ರೀ ಹೈಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟೈಲ್ or for what angle of projection the maximum height attained by the projectile. So for the angle of projection 90 degree, angle of projection 90 degree ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟೈಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೊ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೇರ್. So let us consider xy plane. So what do you mean by angle of projection? It is the angle between the direction of projection and horizontal surface. Okay, so supposed to be in this direction we are going to throw the projectile, means along the positive y-axis. Then what is the angle made by the direction of projection with respect to the horizontal surface? That is 90 degree na. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ರೀ, ಇದು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಥರನ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, then with respect to the horizontal surface what is the angle made by the direction of projection? That is 90 degree. Okay, then angle of projection 90 degree ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ then the maximum height attained by the projectile. For what angle of projection the maximum height attained by the projectile? For the angle of projection 90 degree. See here, remember these points are very important. Okay, for the angle of projection 90 degree the maximum height attained by the projectile, the maximum height attained by the projectile ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟೈಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ್ರವ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ h is equal to u square into sin square 90 degree, sin square 90 degree divided by 2g. So sin 90 is 1, but 1 square is there, because sin square is there means 1 square. 1 square is again 1. Okay, so 1 into u square by 2g, then it is u square by 2g. Then it is the maximum height attained by the projectile. So for what angle of projection the maximum height attained by the projectile? For the angle of projection 90 degree. Remember this point. Next point. So for what angle of projection the horizontal range is maximum? ಯಾವ angle of projection ಗೆ horizontal range maximum ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Say, suppose to be a projectile is projected from the point of projection, so with an angle 45 degree. With what angle? 45 degree. With an angle 45 degree. Then the maximum horizontal range traveled by the projectile. Okay, see here. For the angle of projection 45 degree, ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಾಡಿನ ನಾವು ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ಲಿಂದ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜಾವ್ಲಿನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥ್ರೋ ದಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಆರ್ ಜಾವ್ಲಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. then that will travel the maximum horizontal distance. Remember this point. Then for the angle of projection 45 degree, the range is maximum. The range is maximum. The range is maximum. See here, what is the formula used to find the range? So that is R is equal to U square into sin 2 theta divided by G. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಹೌದಾ? ದೆನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿನ, ದೆನ್ 45 into 2 90, sin 90 is how much 1, then we will get U square by G. Then it is a maximum horizontal range traveled by the projectile when the angle of projection is how much 45 degree. And for the complementary angles the range is same. Complementary angles ಅಂದರೆ the sum of two angles that gives the 90 degree. ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, for the complementary angles the range is same. The range is same. So what its meaning? Supposed to be, I will throw the projectile with respect to the horizontal surface with an angle that is 30 degree or 60 degree. The range covered by or the horizontal distance traveled by the projectile is same. Load. Once again I will draw the diagram here. Supposed to be, I will throw the projectile with an angle 30 degree. Okay, with an angle 30 degree, and I will throw the projectile with an angle 60 degree. Then the horizontal distance traveled by the projectile is same, means range is same. Here the angle of projection is 60 degree, but here the angle of projection is 30 degree. But for the angle of projection 45 degree, the range becomes maximum. Supposed to be, I will take it this one. So here the angle of projection is how much? 45 degree. The range is maximum. Here the angle of projection is 45 degree. ಹೌದಾ? But for complementary angles the range is same. See here. ಈಗ 30 + 60 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 90 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು 30 ಮತ್ತು 60ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸೈನ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೈನ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 30 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ 60 divided by G. Sin 60 is how much? √3/2. Then U square by G into √3/2 into √3/2. Okay. Then next, for the angle of projection 60 degree, 30 plus 60 90, right? So for the angle of projection theta is equal to 60 degree. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ range is equal to U square into sin 2 theta means sin 2 into 60. Sin 2 into 60, that is sin 120. Sin 120 the value ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು? So sin 120 can be written as sin 90 plus 30. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? 90 plus 30, again it is a 120. Okay. Sin 90 plus theta is how much? Cos theta. Then sin 90 plus 30 is how much? Cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? That is √3/2. Then I will write directly here cos 30 degree divided by G. Then it is U square by G √3/2. Remember here, for the complementary angles the range is same, but for what angle of projection the range is maximum? For the angle of projection 45 degree. Okay. So let us solve the given problem. So what is the question here? A football player kicks a ball at an angle of 30 degree to the horizontal with an initial velocity of 15 meter per second. So our aim is to calculate maximum height, time of flight and horizontal range. ಒಬ್ಬ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಅದನ್ನ, ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ angle made by the direction of projection and horizontal surface, that is 30 degree. Okay, and with what velocity that football is kicked here? With the velocity of 15 meter per second. Then see here. So there is a football player. He kicks the football and it follows parabola path. Then the angle made by the direction of projection with respect to the horizontal surface, that is how much? 30 degree. Means it is angle of projection. And with what velocity this ball is projected? With the velocity of 15 meter per second. Okay. Then what is our aim? Our aim is to find the maximum height reached. Maximum height reached and time of flight. Means time taken by the projectile or the time taken by the football to reach the same level of projection. Okay, so that is called time of flight and also horizontal range. Maximum horizontal distance traveled by the projectile is called horizontal range. Okay, then now what is the formula used to find the maximum height? Solution. First I will write the given values. Kottanta values anna barkodri. So given the angle of projection is given, that is 30 degree, and the velocity of projection is given, that is 15 meter per second. Okay, then what is our aim? First we have to find the maximum height. First we are going to find the maximum height. What is the formula used to find the maximum height? U square sin square theta divided by 2g. U square sin square theta divided by 2g. Then u is 15 square into sin square 30. So sin 30 is how much? 1 by 2, but here sin square 30 is there. Sin square 30 can be written as sin 30 whole square. Sin 30 whole square. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Okay. Then sin square 30 is how much? 1 by 4. 2 into g value I will take 10 here. Otherwise you can take 9.8. Then 15 square 225. 225 into 1 by 4 all divided by 2 into 10, that is 20. Then 225 divided by 80. This 4 is in denominator and numerator, that 4 comes to the denominator. 4 into 20, that is 80. Then it is about 2.8. Answer is 2.8 meter. So it is the maximum height of the football. Then next, time of flight. What is the formula used to find the time of flight? T is equal to 2u sin theta by g. Okay, I hope you will solve this one. Okay, how to find the time of flight? Second one, B T is equal to 2 into u sin theta divided by g. So substitute the values, you will get the answer. So 2 into 15. So sin 30. Because angle of projection is how much? 30 degree. Na? Sin 30 divided by 10. Okay. Then sin 30 is how much? That is 1 by 2. 2 into 15, that is 30 into 1 by 2 whole divided by 10. Okay. Then see here, 2 ones are, 2 15s are. Then 15 by 10. 15 by 10 is 1.5 second. So see here the time is measured in second, height is measured in meter. Why? Because the velocity is given in meter per second. I hope you will solve the range. Range ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿನ್ರಿ. Which formula we are going to use to find the range here? R is equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Okay. See here, range formula. Solution for the third one, range. U square sin 2 theta divided by g. So u is 15 square, u square means 15 square, sin 2 theta means sin 60 degree, 2 into 30, then it is sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, g value is 10. Okay, so by substituting the values, find the range of the projectile. Projectile means here football.